A trove new evidence was released Tuesday by prosecutors in case of alleged Gilgo Beach serial Rex Heuermann, including travel records showing Heuermann's family had left town around time alleged suspects' illegal online searches and investigators' attempts to secure DNA evidence. The release of the evidence came as Heuermann, 60, was accused of ing 25-year-old Maureen Brainard-Barnes, who disappeared while working as an escort in 2007, and prosecutors linked him to her death through DNA and other evidence. Defense attorney Michael Brown entered a not guilty plea to the second-degree charge on behalf of Heuermann in Suffolk County Court on Tuesday. The former Long Island architect was accused of killing 3 other escorts on New York's Long Island in July. Like victims Megan Waterman, Costello and Melissa Barthelemy, Brainard-Barnes' remains were found in a deserted oceanfront spot near Gilgo Beach in December 2010. Prosecutors said. Alleged Gilgo serial Rex Heuermann is seen the courtroom of Judge Timothy P. Mazzei with his attorney, Michael Brown, in Suffolk County Courthouse Riverhead on Jan. 16, 2024. James Carbone prosecutors in a new court filing said Heuermann's estranged wife, Asa Ellerup, and their children were out of town when Brainard-Barnes disappeared and was killed, fitting an alleged pattern of Heuermann being home alone when the other 3 were killed. As noted in Exhibit A, travel cell phone billing records had previously revealed that defendant Heuermann's wife children were outstate at time the disappearance 4 victims. Specifically Melissa Barthelemy, Megan Waterman, Costello, prosecutors said, referring to documents they obtained during a search in a warehouse rented by Heuermann. The documents include a credit card statement showing his wife checked into a hotel in Atlantic City on July 6, 2007, and stayed until July 20. Based on foregoing, the S of all 4 victims occurred around time defendant Heuermann's wife and children were traveling out of state, which gave defendant Heuermann unlimited time to carry out his plans for each victim without fear that his family would discover or find out. Prosecutors wrote, for his involvement in these crimes, he said, the victim is Maureen Brainard-Barnes. Police PhotoAbacaSipa via AP. The new filing also revealed that prosecutors seized 2 phones during Heuermann's arrest that they said were kept under fictitious names and used for illegal activities. Prosecutors said Heuermann used these phones to further hundreds of contacts with sex workers. Between 2020 and 2023, prosecutors also announced Tuesday that hundreds of electronic devices were seized from Heuermann's Massapequa Park home and Manhattan office following his arrest. Heuermann used devices to search for deceased victims' family members. The status of investigation. Prosecutors said software digital masking forensic deletion tools will be purchased to help wipe or erase data from computer